is Justin and this is my runner's vlog. It's 2 a.m. and tara, takbo tayo. Let's continue! Okay, we're hitting 9.66 kilometers. Marikina Valley. Sa Barangka po tayo. It's almost the morning. Pidiliman na tayo. Of this running club. I'm in UP. Ang ganda, no? Hey, if you're asking kung bakit sobrang payat ko, sobrang ganda ko, sobrang compact nung skin to face ratio ko, alam ko na, siguro hindi nyo natatanong, pero dito po ako nagtatakbo. Kahit di ko na kaya magtatakbo, naglalakad na lang. Pahinga lang ako. Hello, my name is Justin and I'm a runner. Hi! Dito po tayo mamaya. Papahinga lang ako. Mamaya magpa 5 kilometer ako para hindi ako niyayabangan ng mga to. Alam nyo, hindi ako speed runner. Hindi na pala kayang tumakbo ng oval. Uwi na ako. Parang may run clinic dito. Sali muna ako. Ito makita, Doc. Ay, Coach. Hi po. Wait. Ay, kita. Wait. Kita ba? So, hi. We just hit 7.17 kilometers and I'm leaving UP now. Pero it's so hot. 20.62 kilometers na ako and the sun is so high up. 22.27 kilometers. Nag-lock na yung paa ko, hindi ko na siya maitakbo. Ang gaya na. Ate, 4 na pandesal? Pagod na ako. Pagod na akong mag-isa. Pagod na akong walang kaibigan. Pagod na akong lahat ng tao ay galit sa akin. Pagod na ako. Pagod na ako. Ayos ba? Salamat. At this point, sorry, totoo po to, wala talaga akong cash. Pero hindi ko na talaga kinaya. Although, ruta ko po talaga yun at once upon a time, natakbo ko po yun ng wala akong kasyo kahit ano. Pero talagang hindi ko na kinaya at buti binigyan ako ni Kuya ng tao. Hi! 24th kilometer na po. Sorry, nakapanghingi ako para bumili ng pandesal at taho. Why did I take you for granted? Why? I should be running, but no, sorry. I should be running instead of thinking of you. Your face and your body and your soul and baby. Now. Nakakit ako sa dalawang bundok nang sabay. 525,600 minutes, 525,000 journeys to plan. 525,600 minutes. How do you measure the year in a life? How about love? Walking. How about walking? How about love? Walking. Seasons of walking. Love. Sorry, hindi ko makuha yung isa pa. Seasons of love. Seasons of love. But seasons of love. Seasons of love. Life, you know, it's a difficult thing to actually live in this society every day. Realize na I'll be living a very unhappy and fulfilled lives because some people have already decided that I will never be good enough, and they will be putting me on this awa economy where my only way out is magmakaawa sa kanila. Ganong ka-helpless yung situation ko. So, I've stopped working kasi wala rin mangyayari eh. Magugulo lang din yung buhay ko, magugulo lang din yung mundo ko para akong lumalaban sa mga taong hindi ko naman kalaban. And nakakainis yun. And then, makikita mo sila nakangiti sa'yo kasi your rant is wala silang gagawing iba kasi that's exactly what they want to hear from you. Yung pagkapikon na yon. Kaya I just know there will be nothing that I will be able to do successfully in life. Kasi these people that are around me do not just want to affect my life in the worst way possible. They are actually actively creating situations where I will have to give up whatever it is that is sustaining my life, just so I will be part of this laruan system that they have. At hindi ko sila kilala, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng tao sila. They just appear out of nowhere and I'm supposed to know them. Anyway, yun lang, nakakapagod kasi yun eh. Na hindi na ako makapagtrabaho dahil may mga tao sadyang ginagawa ang lahat para hindi ako magkaroon ng malayang pamumuhay. These want me to assume something. They want me to assume that I'm in a flirtatious situation with them. And then they will use it to come up with the worst excuses, with the worst everything, para lang makipag-usap ako sa kanila. So, my sexuality has been used against me over and over again by everyone and by everything. And then nakakapagod yon. Parang lagi kang sinasaktan. At nagtataka talaga ako kung bakit nagtataka tong mga taong to, kung bakit hindi ako makapagtrabaho. Nakakabwisit. 31 kilometers, 31.08 kilometers na ito na itsura ko. At Tigil ka na, tita. Pagod na ako. Good morning.